Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have come to lesson 6, which is about slip stitch. We usually use this stitch to join circles or to bring the yarn to the other side without increase in the crochet stitches. So I will teach you by making a circle. Leave around 3 inches in the end of the yarn and start with the loop. Twist the yarn, pull the yarn inside the circle. You have got a loop now. Put 2 chains, 1, 2, and then you should make a double crochet in the loop. You have learned double crochet already. So in that same loop now we are going to put 8 double crochet stitches. See here, twist the yarn, put the hook inside that loop, and you have 3 loops. Now pull the yarn through 2 loops. Again you get 2 loops and again pull the yarn. So in that same loop you are going to put 8 double crochet stitches. I taught you this double crochet stitch in lesson 3, which I have given in the description box. If you wish to learn again, go to lesson 3. And so we have put 8 double crochet stitch in the same loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now join the circle with the slip stitch. Insert the hook in the second chain and pull the yarn through it tightly. Next round 1, 2 and 3 chains and put a double crochet in the next chain. This is the second round, and in this round in each chain you are going to put 2 double crochet stitch so that the crochet number will increase and you can form a circle. See, in each chain you put 2 double crochet stitch. See again the double crochet stitch. Twist the yarn once, go to the chain and make a double crochet stitch. In every chain you are putting 2 double crochet stitches so that in the second round you will get 16 crochet stitches. So that this will be a bigger circle. We have come to the end. Now join the circle with the slip stitch. Insert the hook in the third chain and pull the yarn through both the chain and the last loop. See, second round is over, and put 3 chains and go to the third round. Again double crochet stitch. In this round we make 2 double crochet stitch in first chain and second chain, and in the third chain you make 1 double crochet stitch. Again in the fourth chain and fifth chain we make 2 double crochet stitches. So every time in 2 chains you make 2 double crochet, and in the third one you make 1 single double crochet stitch. Now join with the slip stitch. After joining, put 1 chain for the next row, then 1 double crochet stitch in the next chain and 2 double crochet stitch in the next chain. Alternatively, you make 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet for this round and finish half of the circle. Repeat the same stitches and come to the next end. See here, I have finished half of the circle and I am going to bring the thread to this end by using slip stitches. See here, you pull the yarn through the chain and the loop. This is called slip stitch, and I am going to use slip stitches to come to this end. Now the crochet size will not increase and the thread will come to the next end. See here, pull the yarn through the chain as well as the loop. This is slip stitch, and by using this slip stitch we can bring the thread to the next end. Continue slip stitches and bring the thread to the other end. And this is the main use of the slip stitch, is for joining as well as bringing the thread to the other end. See, now I have finished slip stitches on the next half. Hope you could have understood this slip stitch. I will teach you making baby mittens where we use such slip stitches. Like, share, subscribe and comment for my channel. Thank you for watching.